Morning, Dervla.
Morning. Good hiking.
Hi, John.
Hi. Morning,
Hello,
guys.
Alison. Good to go?
Good to go.
Here to a very good adventure. Adventure time, guys. Last time me and John climbed Ergel, that was 2015. Remember, John?
Was it 15?
I think so, yeah. 7 years ago. My adventurous friend. Designated driver today. I haven't done any research or anything about where we are going, so I'm gonna ask the girls. Alison?
Well, apparently a lot of people don't go up to the very, very top,
Right.
because it's quite boggy and there's like sinkholes.
What do you know about the destination we are going?
Benbulbin.
That's about all I know as well.
Otherwise known as Tabletop Mountain because it has a flat top.
There's a queen. There's a queen.
It will
Excuse
be
me.
interesting. There's a...
There's the queen burying up there.
Oh!
Maeve. There.
And have you been to before where we are going now, Jan?
Just a Sligo. Benbulbin.
Benbulbin.
I don't wanna live my life without you.
Am I supposed to leave you now?
When you're looking like that.
Through, because if you assume that you'll get through, that's when you're out things.
There's a little kind of there's a little
Hello. Hello. Look at the baby lambs.
That's like, oh, there was girls way there.
Expert mountaineers.
This way because it's not handier, and then you go to the right and to your left.
Danny, we are already lost. I think it's time you call the mountain rescue, please. Like you said you would have to. Go on, Alison. Put it into 4x4. You got this. I have to cut this bit. You're doing great. I got you. What are you at, mountain goat? Guys, I found the trail. It was me. It wasn't Dervla. It was me. Looks like a trail, alright. Enjoy every step, my friends, but don't step on a shit. You won't be enjoying that step.
I told you! I told you it's the side of the stream! I saw a path!
Jump on treasure.
There's a path!
What are you doing down there? They just confirmed that John has eagle eyes. She has seen this path all the way from down there somewhere. Woo. Nearly on top, guys. Well done.
Video.
He's centering his breathing to center the
Sorry, John, I'm trying to keep her steady. Very difficult. I'm at 160 times zoom.
I was going to get the binoculars yesterday. National Geographic! We're actually in the middle of nowhere. Sorry, Dad. You can bleep that out. You're going to put a music on anyway.
Just taking the view, girls. Count is like this goes all the way to the bottom.
I don't know when selfies, road.
We made it to the edge of the mountain. The view here is absolutely amazing. It's so worth it. Yes, Alison. Okay. The girl says it's lunchtime.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.